This is pretty cool. Well, welcome back to the channel. So we are at a really cool state park here in New Mexico. We want to share with you, but we just got here. We're hungry. It's time to make some food.
So we are only 20 minutes outside of the city of Santa Fe, and we are at Hyde Memorial State Park, and it is absolutely stunning here and beautiful, and we can't wait to show you.
So tonight we are going to be doing some fillets from Eat Well Today. These look really good. Check those out. Big, thick, gigantic, juicy fillets. Going to be doing it right here on the outdoor kitchen here on the Ekko. We have this flat pan. One side is flat, one side has the grill. We're going to be using the side with the grill marks, and we're going to be using some of the company that I work with, Bucked Up. We're going to be using some of their season. I think we're going to be going with the Tennessee whiskey tonight. They also have a bunch of different flavors. We have a Hawaiian barbecue right here, but we opted, this Tennessee whiskey is pretty good. I'll throw a link down in the description if you guys are interested in buying these, because they're cheap and they taste amazing. So you can get like a whole collection of them for a pretty good price. Of course, we're going to be throwing on the real butter, the Kerrygold. We got to butter up the filet, and we'll throw on some of that, like I said, some of that Tennessee whiskey buck seasoning while I'm cooking. I'm having one of these strawberry crate hard ciders, thanks to Mike and Joy. They gave us a few after our trip with them in Arizona. But let's get these things going because we are hungry. So while the fillets are cooking, figured I'd let you know that this campground is actually $10 a night. Down the road in the state park, they actually have another campground, same name, that has RV hookups electric-wise for $14 a night. So if you need electric, that's pretty cool. But right down the road is another campground that's actually a Forest Service campground called Black Canyon Campground, but they were packed. It's a Sunday evening, so we weren't expecting that. But they are packed to the gills. This one we turned into, and it happened to be the first spot was open and available. First come, first serve.
We didn't want to risk it.
Yeah, so we just pulled in and took it. They do have reservation spots, but this was one of the few that they had that we could just pull in and take for the night. Look at those grill lines. Oh. Uh-oh. Laugh it up. Laugh it up.
That's really funny.
You guys probably caught it. I think it's on camera.
Oh, it's on camera.
Me dropping the filet onto the ground. We cleaned it off. It's good, as you can see behind us. I raged a little bit because I hate these. So you can see they're a little bent up. Plastic's off them.
We just haven't bought new ones.
So we're going to go buy new ones. Those are like the cheap ones. And it's not the first time that I've dropped something with those. So I just raged, and, well, the ground right there became its you know, I guess, enemy. So, fillet down, but it's cleaned off. They're looking good.
Mona wanted to come outside, so we thought we'd let her come out now that it's a little bit cooler out. She does not want to be in my arms. Here you go.
Smelled the filet, that's why. Just don't come face to face with a mountain lion or bear. There's actually signs when you enter that they just had, or well, I guess it says the bear's technically in the park. So
I thought that was from May, though.
No, May was the mountain lion.
Oh.
So mountain lion was last spotted here in May. It's July, towards the end of July now. But then there's a bear that they said is like in the park active, like on the regular. So gotta keep our eyes peeled and not let Muna get away and come face to face. I want to be good.
Tell everybody on YouTube, say, I'm the mountain lion. She tries to escape. Say, I'm the mountain lion. She's very scary, I know.
Well, Brittany, I guess while these continue to cook, why don't you show them our cool camp spot?
Okay. So right here, this is where we came up the hill and found this lovely spot right to the left. So there's a big area right here, and then there's even more hidden behind. So as you can see, we have this whole area that's pretty flat right here, but then Neil's going up to our whole other area. So let's walk up here. Look at this. You could literally fit a whole van up here.
And I don't know if you guys noticed something strange. There's our door. Stairs are not working again, so I've looked at them, got underneath. No solution as of yet, so I got to check some fuses inside, but looks like another thing for us to have fixed at Winnebago HQ. All right, well, there they are. They look cooked pretty dang good. Nice grill marks on there. Let them rest off the griddle and see if these are cooked enough. Like I said, those are some thick fillets. Cuts like butter. Oh yeah. Perfect. Could actually cook them a little less probably. Look at that. Slices through like butter. Oh yeah. That's some tender filet. So, look at that. Now that is a perfectly cooked filet. Good morning. So, starting the day off with some coffee and some Kodiak cake.
Blueberry.
So, these should be yummy. And then we're going to go on this waterfall hike and take you guys along with us. Breakfast was delicious, but now it's time to get some exercise. So let's get this waterfall hike started. If you guys can hear that or see it, we got a little stream right there. A little section of the stream, pretty dried up. Another little water crossing. Getting a little dense. But I hear people. pretty cool. And you said it's pretty chilly.
Not too chilly.
Oh,
Oh, it feels good right now.
That's
It'd be
nice.
cold in the morning.
It's cold right
Oh,
now.
that's great.
That feels.
I'm gonna put some on my arms.
So you can tell by the bedrock, all the rocks right here, that with the snow melt and heavy rains, this thing flows.
Yeah,
Pretty
so
awesome.
It could actually be trickier to get up to this point if it was actually flowing all the way.
And looks like there's a trail over this way. It actually goes up and around, but it's not an official trail, I don't think, so we're not going to do that. So we recommend, if you are going to visit Hyde Memorial State Park, definitely do the waterfall hike.
It's 0.28 miles one way.
Yeah, so it only took us like 10-15 minutes to get up here. That's
Past people with their kids.
Yeah, it was us stopping and filming, setting up some shots too, so not bad. Quick, easy hike, and you get to this beautiful spot. The water feels great, and nice breeze up here, and just kind of taking it all in. And if you're big into waterfalls, we actually did probably the most spectacular waterfall hike in the continental US, but we did a beautiful hike out in Oregon. We'll have that somewhere up here and also down in the description for you guys to click on and check out. The most spectacular hike ever is waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. So this goes to show why we absolutely love New Mexico. It's one of the most diverse climates, geography wise. It's just amazing. We were down in Santa Fe in the city yesterday.
We had no idea this was here.
We're literally 15-20 minutes to Santa Fe downtown, so pretty awesome. But who would have thought that this is New Mexico? One of our favorite states. Well, it's time to trek back down and check on those kitty cats. Just finished our hike, guys, and look at this. Literally walked right up to us, basically. Hanging out right here. I mean, it's what, about 25 feet from us? 30 feet? Pretty crazy.
Bye, buddy.
See you later. Well, we really hope you guys enjoyed going on that waterfall hike with us. Enjoyed spending our dinner with us last night with some good fillets. They were excellent. So if you enjoyed it, definitely give us a big thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the hike, we have lots more of this to come. A lot more travels.
So drop a comment below. Let us know your favorite state or Forest Service campground to visit. And as always, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button below the video. We would love to have you along for the journey with us. We'll see you guys in the next video.
See you guys next time.